All right, so in this video, I'm going to give you guys a quick look at the Solar Hue Glide from Pharrell Williams. What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals as well as a pair of these, check the links in the description, and happy shopping. Today, I wanted to give you guys just a quick look at the Solar Hue Glide, and this is a shoe created by Pharrell Williams. This is a pretty interesting looking model. Interestingly enough, the Solar Glide is actually another model already. Basically, he took the Solar Glide bottom and then made his own thing out of the upper, because the upper is completely transformed with a bunch of different things that Pharrell added to the shoe. So I think it's kind of cool that Pharrell's able to have some sort of access to the shoe and give his own 2 cents of what he wants to design on the shoe. This colorway reminds me of a Crayola box though, and I honestly think it looks dope. It's just so crazy and vibrant and wild. I know it's supposed to have roots for like Africa and whatnot, but it is a really, really wild and crazy looking colorway. And you can see the zebra-like laces, and then you have the orange in the front, yellow in the mid, a little hit of red, green, purple, red on the tongue, a slight little bit of blue right there. The stability plate on the bottom is yellow. I'm actually surprised they didn't do any special liner in the bottom of these. Even the tennis shoes had a special liner, I believe, so odd that they didn't add that in there. But some of the cool features they added to the Pharrell version is obviously the embroidered hue on the toe area. The lace lockdown is interesting, how it has this padded material that is sewn on with a little blue tag. You have a little panel on the back that also has the Hue logo. And then the heel cup is just green. There's no branding on that. I personally think the overall hype of this shoe is going to be going down significantly once they start releasing more models. They could release some really cool colorways though, and I think it will draw a lot of attention. The original draw to this specific colorway, I think a lot of people was just the hype and the fact that this is the one that he wore a lot more, and the fact that this one was supposed to be more limited than some of the other colorways. But honestly, if you're a fan of Adidas and Pharrell and Boost, like, the other colorways are super nice as well. I almost grabbed the black one also, but I think that this is just one of those models that people are going to be able to get once they start producing more of these, and I don't think it's going to be a crazy hype. It's going to be similar like the tennis shoes, I imagine, but I think it's good because unlike the tennis shoes, this does have Boost, and this is a really comfortable pair of sneakers. Personally, for me, I think that the comfort on this Solar Glide is better than on the NMDs. That's just my personal take. I feel like you can feel the Boost better. It has some pretty good stability in the shoe as well. It's lightweight, it's comfortable. The only thing I didn't really like about the original Solar Glide was a lockdown section right here. It really bugged my foot. It was like interesting how it married the front section to the back section, and this section was super uncomfortable on my foot. It made it really, really snug, so I just didn't like the overall fit. This, I didn't feel like I had that problem. It's just made out of a mesh instead, and even though there's a cross section, it just doesn't feel as uncomfortable as the original one. So actually, I think this is better for my feet than the Solar Glides. That being said, the Boost is really, really nice, and the Continental rubber is always a plus. I would say that this is not as good as Ultra Boost, obviously, but it still is a really comfortable pair of shoes and more comfortable than the NMD line as well as the Pharrell NMDs. Overall though, what do you guys think about the new Solar Hue Glide? Are you guys waiting for some different colorways before you guys pull the trigger? Did you buy them, and are you happy with what you bought? Curious to see what you guys say for those that actually got the shoes. But personally, I think that I am expecting some cool prints maybe. I think that would be pretty rad. But anytime they add some cool prints to something, it is a plus. So I think that it is a pretty nice looking model, and I like that it has that added flair that Pharrell can bring to Adidas. Also, there are 2 other laces that this one comes with. If the zebra ones are a little bit too much for you, you have black and then you have a yellow. So kind of nice that they add those in as well. But all in all, I think that these look dope. They look good on feet. They're comfortable. They are probably not going to be hyped up after a long period of time. So if you're buying these to just flip, it's just probably not going to be worth your time. But I think that those that actually, again, support Pharrell, support Boost, and like Adidas, you guys, it's a win for you guys out there. And if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. In fact, if you guys are not new to the channel and you guys have seen like 4 or 5 of my videos and still haven't subscribed, you should probably just subscribe. Hopefully it'll be worth it if you do so. And that is the video. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching though. If you guys want to see some other videos on my channel though, go ahead and click the screen at this time. And thank you guys for stopping by and watching more videos very soon. Peace, guys.